Hey, good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today I'm en route to a emergency call. The water has been shut off by the city, I believe. I've been referred to by a gentleman I always do work for. It's been a good week this week. CB2 has started full-time with me. Graduated via computer. He graduated via computer, I guess. The actual ceremony did not happen yet, but he's done school. And it's been a great asset to us, running around, assisting a couple guys that we got going here. It's going to be a nice start. And now I'm headed to the job right now, see what we need. If it's anything crazy, he'll be bringing it to me briefly after I get there. So I'm going to get the shots, of course. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and follow this journey as I train my two sons to plumbing trade. Going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. We'll see you there. I'm going to skip to, I've already been inside the house. I got an old 1-inch gate valve at the concrete level that the gentleman tried turning the water on for the outside water. He turned the wrong valve, and I think it's the packing nut. So what I'm going to do, tighten the packing nut down, get the shots, and we're going to set up for a new valve replacement. But right now, at the 3 o'clock hour, it's not happening today. So you know Johnny?
Yeah.
Oh, he's awesome, isn't he?
He's our neighbor.
Yeah, I love John.
Plus they've done a lot of work for us.
Uh-huh.
We have the room.
All right, so you have the water off right now, right?
Yeah, I turned it off because it was pouring out.
All right. So like I said, it's going to be a packing nut. Let's see if we can.
Let's see.
Yeah, she's dripping pretty good. Oh yeah. Definitely need a new valve, okay? Yeah. So we'll get that set up. Let me get a rag over here. Tight spot here. Now, do you want your outside water on? I'll turn it on for you.
Yeah, it's already on.
Oh, it's on. Okay. Oh, no, it's off still.
Yeah, I didn't turn it off.
You want it on or off?
Off. On.
On. Okay. Yeah, you have a real bad packing nut.
Right.
So it's all worn out.
Well, nuts.
Yeah.
I'm worn out and the house is old.
Yeah, no.
This is old.
I don't want to attempt it because it's right next to the concrete at the 3 o'clock hour.
Right.
You know, if we have a problem, then it turns into a
major block.
Yeah, exactly. In a tight spot too with the water heater right here.
Yeah.
So we got the leak stopped. You have water on now.
Okay, thank goodness.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
I just
the
turned that on.
outside.
Yeah, you want to test it out? Make sure.
It was.
I'll tell you what, that valve's tight too. Wow. If you want, I'll put a new valve in here for you too. It's up to you.
Sure.
We'll make it a lever valve, a ball valve.
Think it'll work better.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Because, you know, this, you only use it twice a year. And you
That's
turn
it.
it on, turn it off.
Oh, and that, you know the problem is, that's when it dries up over the winter, and then it wreaks havoc on everything. I just turned on like a house today. The same problem. You drain the house for the winter, but then all the parts of the toilets dry up, start having issues.
Yeah.
So, what we'll do, since we have everything down, I'll put a new valve here on the main, a valve on the hose outside, and it'll be the lever type. So it'll be just boom,
Oh,
boom. Okay?
And also when you come back, both spigots front and back will leak a little.
Okay, I'll come look at them now, because
Oh, okay.
we're definitely not leaking no more, okay? We're good. Let me just go get my iPad so I get a picture of the valve, so I'll come with everything I need. I'll put you a valve on the water heater in case you ever gotta shut it off. This one, what's this for? A humidifier maybe?
No.
Ice maker.
Oh, an ice maker, yeah. There's a valve for the
Yeah.
ice maker.
Yeah.
Watch out, let me see where that is.
Yeah.
Didn't know there was such a thing.
Do you have a humidifier maybe?
No.
No. I
Okay.
don't have an ice maker.
Is your
No.
fr-
Yes, we do.
Is your refrigerator
Yeah.
back here?
Right back there in that wall.
Okay.
Huh.
So what I'll do
This is for that?
yeah, it's 1/4 inch copper lines, generally what they're for.
How about that?
Alright?
Okay.
It's not disconnected, right? You're making ice, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
So they must have made this to short connect underneath the
Yeah,
house.
well, the kitchen's right there, so.
Okay. Alright, cool. Alright, let me get a couple pics here, and this way I'll bring what we need, and we'll set you up for next week. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Awesome. Have it. The importance of a packing valve. The importance of a packing nut. That packing nut was so damn old, I barely got it to stop. I was afraid I was going to break the brass nut on the valve. And I don't have no graphite on my truck or lamp wick. For all you old timers out there, you know we can create some magic with some lamp wick. I could have wrapped the stem with some Teflon if I didn't get it. That was going to be my next move. And again, while we're there, we're going to set this up for tomorrow or Monday. Main valve, water heater valve, outside bib valve, and 2 outside bibs, all while the water's off. So now it's the time to do it, and of course we're going to get the shots. Other than that, it's been a great day. We will see you at the next one, everybody. Have a good one.